Good morning, everyone. So this morning we're going to make some breakfast, and my Ashley Beth is here. So we are going to make chocolate gravy. That's one of her favorite breakfast items. So I'm going to show you how to make some biscuits and chocolate gravy, one of our family's favorite things. And I like to use these biscuits that you can get in this bag, and they're in the freezer section, because that way it just doesn't matter how many people are here. You just pop out however many biscuits that you need, if there's just one of you or if there's 6 of you. So I love these, and they're really good biscuits. So I'm gonna pop those in the oven. The directions on those are 375. Pop those in the oven, and then we're gonna make our chocolate gravy. Okay, so now we're gonna start our chocolate gravy. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter in this saucepan. And to that, you're gonna add 1 cup of sugar and 2 cups of whole milk. Just gonna put it all in here together. And then we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of flour. Let me give that a little whisk. Now my recipe, making a mess, my recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of cocoa, but I do not like a lot of cocoa. I just like it kind of barely chocolatey, so believe it or not. And so I'm only going to put 2 tablespoons of cocoa. So while that's warming up, I've got my heat on high. I'm going to use this and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. I made it with the 4 tablespoons in it. It's just too chocolatey, but if you like it chocolatey, go for it. Everybody's wanting to lose weight, but even an old dog likes meat on the bone, right? It's gonna be kind of clumpy like that, so you just kind of have to keep whisking it, and then it'll smooth out the hotter it gets. So it really depends on how thick you like your gravy. And I kind of like mine a little runny, not too thick. This is looking pretty darn good, just about like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat off, because it's about as thick as I'd like it. And then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, which I told you before, that's about a teaspoon in your cap there. So if you had put 4 tablespoons of the cocoa in there, it would have been like really, really dark. So if you like it that chocolatey, go for it. But I just like it just like this, so I changed the recipe. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna get my biscuits out, and then we're gonna chow down. Okay, got some beautiful golden brown biscuits right out of the oven. I can remember that my mom would take our biscuits. I don't know if anybody else's mom did this, but my mom would take, what is going on with my, having a hot flash, I guess. A little shiny this morning. My mom would take our biscuits and she would pinch them in little bitty pinches. And I just thought that that is how you were supposed to eat your biscuits. And so even as an adult, I can remember going into maybe Cracker Barrel or some restaurant and see, oh, that's telling me my, hold on, that's telling me my oven's done. Oops, cancel. All right. And sitting there and started pinching my biscuits up, and the people I was with was like, what are you doing? And I thought that's how you ate biscuits. I didn't know. Because, you know, we didn't go out to eat a lot. Rarely as a child we went out to eat, so I didn't even know how to act. So anyway, here we go. Here's our biscuits. And here's our chocolate gravy. Oh my gosh, so good. Put a little dab of butter on top, because butter, mo better. All right, so there we go. Steaming hot. Oh my gosh, what an easy, cheap breakfast. Y'all can have your granola and your yogurt. I'm going to have some chocolate gravy. I can get that biscuit to cut. There we go. Oh my gosh, a little dab of butter in there. Oh my gosh, that's delicious. Go make you some chocolate gravy. You'll thank me later. Have a great day.